It's a pleasure, it's a real pleasure that we have with us Dr. Pradyum Vyas with us, and why not, to take this opportunity to have a few words from the gentleman. Mr. Vyas would like to invite you and would request you to motivate the students, to motivate the convocating students, current students, and all the esteemed guests. Please be on stage, and can we have a round of applause?
Wow, thank you very much. Graduating students, big compliments and congratulations to you. You know, today, this interaction design, people are working with the screen. And they say that when you are designing, the attention span of people is 20 seconds. And beyond that, if you do anything, that it is rejected. So I know that your attention span, keeping it for very long, is going to be very difficult. But bear with me, I'll try and brief, since this is a very big day occasion for the young designers, because you have moved, you have crossed one milestone in your life. So there's something which we need to really reflect on. After all, it's little serious matter about the life and its future course of action. My big compliments to Arch Institute, especially Archana ji, that my experience today is overwhelming. I must say that energy which I have seen and experienced with everyone, students, staff, faculty, management, is incredible, and that is what the place is. That if you have to tell that what is an institute, institute is not a building, a mortar, it's built with the students and faculty and the people who are managing it. So big compliment to the management and student and faculty, to all. I feel really privileged because this creative opportunity, and I'm getting an opportunity to speak with them. I know you guys have your own mind, that's why you have come in design education, because design education, which I have experienced, is that parents always try and tell them either you take medicine or you take engineering, and you resist and you say, no, I want to do what I like. So you will do what you're going to do in future. But from my side, I would certainly like to pinpoint few things. That if we are moving ahead for creating our future in such an exciting time which country is going through, and this exciting time where you have just launched yourself comes once in a century. My generation did not have that kind of luxury, opportunity or things to do what you guys have. So I think it's a golden time for us, and how we can make best out of this time that we have to really look into. The country's economy is emerging, we call emerging economy. Many countries doing financially very well. And when people are doing very well financially, they have extra money. And when they have extra money, they want product, services, better choices, and designers are there to provide them choices, provide them solutions, provide them, or also induce them to have more and more products. So that way, our profession really lies on when people are making good money. So that is one part, that when country grows, we grow, design fraternity grows. And you look in fashion, you look in graphics, you look in animation, you look in game designing, you look in all design areas which are flourishing because your economy is growing. Now the question is that the economy is growing, market and retail and everything is booming, and they are asking you to provide solution. So whether you really want to provide solution what market forces are there, or you really, or you become the instrument in forcing the market to do certain things. I think this particular aspect which we have to look into, either we get swayed away with what market is demanding, or we tell people that what is right for them. And here, the matter comes is that if this use and throw culture, that you buy a phone today and you replace it tomorrow and do that, that is the way it is going. And if we, India and China, they say that this century belongs to Asia, where the major population exists, and if we start consuming the energy like the Western world, we need 4 planet Earths. So I think this issue certainly would come in, that if we are designing something, what we are going to take care of, environment, and how we should really take. So the responsibility comes in a big way. Because today, whatever decision we take, it has implications of tomorrow and the new generation. But we are in a very positive place. Why? Because we have a very strong, rich heritage and culture, which has been told by some of the friends who are sitting there on the dais, that we have very rich tradition, culture. And if you just take handloom, for example, or khadi, for example. So fashion designers, students, I would seek your attention in this, that handloom is, and khadi, hand woven and hand spun. And khadi, the brand Gandhi is also connected with it. Can we really lift this and make a brand khadi most contemporary, eco-friendly, zero carbon footprint, and come out as a global brand of handloom? Because everybody is talking about green. I am told that some function is going to happen about the green building in the evening. So this green thing which is so much marketed, and we are sitting on this gold mine of handloom. So it's a win-win situation. If you put your thinking in handloom side, you give employment to a lot of people, which is required, and you also uplift the green fashion which we can bring. So think about that. The culture is a very big strength on which the new knowledge you can evolve and take it forward, because usually you will find that all fashion designers, all designers and all, really cross-breeding things. They will look into architecture and the pattern will be created and textile will be created. You will look, jewelry is coming out from the textiles, or the jewelry is coming out from the fruits and nature. So this observing around you, around your culture, is very important aspect for you to really take and get inspired. Another thing is that the action speaks finally. That we all do a lot of talking, but I think more than that, if we can just have this quality of listening which Amitabh has also spoken. And I would say that if I stare at you for 2 minutes, you'll feel offended. You'll say, what arrogant guy is staring at me. But if you listen to somebody for 10 minutes or even more, that guy will be totally sold, that see that he is giving me hearing. So I think that the receptiveness of hearing, observing environment, looking around you, having empathy and not apathy, they are some of the qualities that you need to nurture in you. Artists can be arrogant. Artists can see this is what I have designed, you want to get, otherwise let other person come. But designer has to have empathy with people, because you need to put yourself in other shoe and then create, because he's going to pay for it. So they would like to see that whether it fits in or not. And finally, the joy of giving. See, we get one life. Amitabh was asking how many years you have spent in Ahmedabad or NID. I said 24 years. It really looks like yesterday. I must say that it looks like yesterday. Your life will go like this. It's like that. I feel that 25 years ago I had joined NID and quarter of a century has gone. So we have to really give our contribution for at least do a bit what you can do for your country and people and your institute and whatever. So I think somewhere purposeful life is very important. End of the day, it should not look like that, have I done 5 things or not in my life? Just count 5 good things which you have done. I think we will not get this day, and then time will just fly and we'll see that I had an opportunity but I couldn't do that. So I think this opportunity knocks once, twice, and the navigates, the Archana ji somebody has come and then she took up, and then रास्ते बनते जाते हैं, लोग आते जाते हैं, things happen like that. So take it seriously, because when we are young, and I was at your age, and I used to think that others are growing there, old, and I am there and I will be there, but it doesn't. Everybody is growing old. So we have to take best out of it. The second thing is the context. Must understand the context for whom you are designing. Designing for women, designing rural India, designing something in global market, for whom and for what. And if you are designing for metro, then you have to really understand the scenario. And scenario is very important. The end result is not so important. The process is very important. So investigate into process, create a scenario, understand the context, and give the result. Result must come at the end. Because you aim for the highest thing is more important than achieving the goal. So aiming for the highest goal is certainly important for us to take. About the personality attitude, you see that media, the way it is happening today, the society, sometimes you find that so much of cynicism is going on. We are all the time talking about negative things, negativity is moving around, we are criticizing from a distance, and this is what is happening. And young people cannot afford to be cynical. We have to have optimism that yes, we will do it. So optimism is very, very important. The second thing is that the sincere effort, there is no shortcut in life. Nobody can achieve bigger goal with the shortcuts. You have to go through, so shortcuts are not there. Sincere efforts are very important. And integrity, which has been also mentioned, that ethics are the key thing. Because this multi-dimensional environment when we are living in, everybody is not same. But if practices are ethical, then at least we can make a better place for everyone. So, the science, technology, social science, people around you, old people, young people, women, children, plants, animals, everything is very, very important. Just observe everything. You will get lots of inspiration. Spend time with yourself. Have date with yourself and see that what I can do and how I can take it forward. I am sure that if you make the difference in 10 people's life, that who will say that because of you where I am, I think your life is really fulfilled. So this graduating show or graduating ceremony is a very sacred ceremony. We should take it very seriously because it is one big milestone and we all have big expectations. And I'm sure that with your creative ability, sincere effort, ethical practices, you will make this institute feel proud, you will make your parents feel proud, you will feel society feel proud. Health and wealth is fine in the society, but if the society is happy, I think that is the biggest thing. And when society will be happy, when our effort will go more towards for the people who are not so privileged. So the design is, like Archana ji said, that problem solving, it is also creating new opportunities. So you can create lots of opportunities who may not be able to do things, but with your effort they can do lots of things. So create opportunity and see that the society where lots of people are not so privileged as you are, have a design movement in the country, like the movement which Amitabh has started, and see that I will work towards the inclusive growth of this country, and not only looking into the country but the global village as such, and make everybody happy. When we are happy, everything is fine. But if you are wealthy and healthy and your mind is sick, everything is bad. So God bless you, and I am sure that you will make us feel proud all over in your institute. Good luck.